Good afternoon, class 7 students. Welcome back in the English class. Dear student, Jim Corbett, we have to read about him, a British hunter, because the chapter we are going to read in our next class, that is chapter 6, How to Climb Trees. It is written by him. So before reading the chapter, we must know something about some information. We must get some information about the writer, the author. So that chapter, How to Climb Trees, it is written by Jim Corbett. He was a British hunter. Now let us see more about him through the information that you will get on the screen. Now let us see, Jim Corbett, CIE, VD, was a British hunter, tracker, naturalist, and author who hunted a number of man-eating tigers. Now, dear student, Jim Corbett, CIE, VD, it is an honor given by the nation. Now, it is the order of the Indian Empire. He was a British hunter. ब्रिटिश का एक शिकारी था, ट्रैकर, जो एनिमल को ट्रैक करते हैं और हंट करते हैं, उसको ट्रैकर भी कहते हैं हम लोग. ट्रैक करके जगह को पता करना अथवा एनिमल को ट्रैप करना. नेचुरलिस्ट, वो प्राकृतिक प्रेमी भी थे, प्राकृतिक में रमना, प्राकृतिक खोज करते थे अथवा प्रकृति में वो खुशी ढूंढते थे. एन ऑथर, एक लेखक भी था, who hunted numbers of man-eating tigers. He was a hunter who liked to hunt man-eating tigers. Man-eating tigers का मतलब समझते हैं आप लोग. Most probably man-eating tigers old age का होता है, जब उन लोगों के पास अपना शिकार को पकड़ने का क्षमता कम होता है, उस टाइम टाइगर मैन-ईटिंग हो जाता है. So let us see some brief information about him. Died 19th April 1955, Nairobi, Kenya. Movies: Indian Kingdom of the Tiger, Man Eater of Kumon. These are the movies that has been made through his book, by using his books. Let us see his books. Man Eaters of Kumon, and this Kumon, we are going to read this Kumon Hills in our chapter also, Kumon Hills and Garhwal Hills, where he is where he is hunting the man-eating tigers. He is going to hunt the man-eating tigers, Kumon Hills and Garhwal Hills. Man-Eaters of Kumaon, 1944. The Man-Eating Leopard of 1948. Mera Hindustan, Jungle Lord. Now let us see more about him. Jim Corbett. Jim Corbett, CIE, VD, 25th July 1875. This is the birth date, and this is the time when he got expired. 19th April 1955. Was a British hunter, tracker, naturalist, and author who hunted a number of man-eating tigers and leopards in India. इंडिया में, भारत में उसने man-eating tigers का हंट किया, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा man-eating tigers and leopard. He held the rank of colonel in the British Indian Army and was frequently called upon by the government of the United Provinces of Agra and Oudh. Now, he was the colonel in British Indian Army. You can see there, you can learn about it. And he was called upon by the government of United Provinces of Agra and Oudh. Now the Indian states of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Why he was called? He was called to hunt these man-eating animals, tigers. those who gave trouble to the public. Now let us see more. to kill man-eating tigers and leopards that were preying on people in the nearby villages of Kumaon Garhwal regions. Now this brave person was called frequently by the provinces just like Agra, Oudh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand to kill this type of man-eating beast, so that the people may get rid of them. Now let us see more about him. Jim Corbett, you can see the face also. You can see him. Born Edward James Corbett, 25th July 1875, Nainital, Northwestern Provinces. Now Jim Corbett का full नाम क्या है? Edward James Corbett. Now let us see. Edward James Corbett, 25th July 1875, Nainital, Western Provinces, British India. Now in Uttarakhand, India. Now died 19th April 1955 at the age of 79, Nairobi, Kenya. Nationality British. Occupation hunter, naturalist, writer. These are the brief information about Edward James Corbett. Now let us move. Died, nationality, occupation, hunter, naturalist and writer. We have read this and you may know it. He authored Man-Eaters of Kumaon, Jungle Lore and other books recounting his hunts and experiences, which enjoyed critical acclaim and commercial success. He became an avid photographer and spoke out for the need to protect India's wildlife from extermination. Now, उसने बुक लिखा मैन ईटर्स ऑफ कुमाऊन, जंगल लॉर एंड द बुक्स रिकाउंटिंग हिज हंट्स एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस. उसका हंट के बारे में, शिकार करते हुए समय के बारे में और उसका अनुभव, एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में ये किताब लिखा गया है, जो ऊपर में हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं. नाउ ही enjoyed this and got success in every attempt also. जो अटेम्प्ट किया उस पर वो सक्सेस भी हुआ. आफ्टर दैट ही बिकेम अ फोटोग्राफर ऑल्सो. फोटोग्राफर भी हुआ. एंड एट दैट टाइम ही अनाउंस अथवा ही गिव सम मैसेज टू द पीपल दैट वाइल्ड लाइफ शुड बी प्रोटेक्टेड. वाइल्ड लाइफ को हम लोग बचाना है, उसको लुप्त होने से हम लोगों को वाइल्ड लाइफ को बचाना है. वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ. ऐसे करके उसने मैसेज भी दिया है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस वाज द शॉर्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट एडवर्ड जेम्स कॉर्बेट that we will be going to read his writing material in chapter 6. So dear student, you can make a short notes on him. You can make it, and we will be continuing our chapter 6 in our next class. Till then, dear student, have a nice time and thank you.